Precision and accuracy of the Turbosand head is critical to obtaining a quality finish. To ensure correct setup, it is vitally important that a pencil test be performed anytime there is an adjustment to the setup of the machinery, the sander, or the shaping system. No matter what equipment is used, there is no other way to ensure a correct match. After a part has been shaped, stop the drive and shaping mechanism. Be sure to wait for all moving parts to come to a complete stop. Using a soft number 2 pencil, mark a line or series of lines along the entire height of the profile edge. Verify that all covers and guards are in place and sand the edge exactly as you normally would. The sanding speed and feed speed should be the same as you would use in a production run. Inspect the pencil lines. The lines should be sanded lightly over the entire height of the profile. In some cases, portions of the line may be removed, but no burning should occur. If the lines are completely removed along the entire height, it may mean you are sanding harder than necessary and will not get the proper life from your sanding insert. Adjust the sander position as necessary until you achieve correct results. The pencil test should be repeated anytime there is a change or an adjustment in the machine. If at any time you experience difficulties with sanding life or accuracy, conduct a pencil test. Turbosand service technicians can usually pinpoint the cause of a problem simply by looking at a pencil test sample.